welcome back to my channel. Hey homegirl, thank you so much for coming. Today I'm coming to you with this FreeTress Equal 6-inch lace part wig. Now her name is Maxi. She comes in this long box. Okay, I got her in the color 1B. She comes in other colors also. She comes in a GX bronze. She comes in a GX RD violet. And she comes in a GX auburn. We're gonna go ahead and open Maxi up, okay? Maxi, it says you can put some curling iron to Maxi, but Maxi is a synthetic wig. So if you're gonna curl Maxi, don't go up to the 400 degrees, okay? Keep her on a low heat. So this is how long Maxi is. She feels real soft, okay? Maxi has a 6-inch lace part. So you don't have to do any plucking to Maxi. And Maxi also comes with baby hairs, which I probably cut off, because that's not my thing, the baby hair ordeal. Maxi comes with 3 combs. There's one in the back, and there is 2 on the side near the front. We're gonna see if Maxi's big head friendly. So, but you guys remember Aubrey? I put a little mousse on Aubrey and, you know, cut her up just a little bit. I brought Aubrey back to life, because when she first came out the pack, you know, she wasn't doing it for me. But I brought her back to life, and this is what she looked like for the ladies who like to wear big hair. Some women don't like to wear big hair, and that's okay. Some like, you know, short. Everybody have their preference. I like a little big hair sometimes. Aubrey works for me, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and try on Maxi and let you guys see what Maxi looked like on me. And you guys can tell me what you think. I'm not gonna apply any heat to Maxi. I'm just gonna try her on. She's straight out the pack. I haven't cut her up or anything like that. So let me go ahead and try Maxi on. I'm gonna be right back. All right, this is Maxi. Maxi comes like right here. Maxi is a little different from what I'm used to. But Maxi is real soft too. She is real soft. I'm gonna give it to FreeTress on this one, because she is real soft. Oh my God. And if you want to apply a little heat to her, sis, go ahead. Let me see. I like her. And I don't even like long hair. Like, I swear, I'm just not a long hair wearing kind of person. All my hair stop at 10, 8 to 10. The longest I probably would get is like a 12-inch. Aubrey is long.
Giving me who's gonna check me boo vibes. You feel me? What y'all think about Maxi?
She was on sale. Yup. I'm gonna post a link in the description box where I got her from, so you guys can go and check her out. But anywho, on to the next. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of April. Okay? And for those of you who do not know what Boxycharm is, I already opened her. But anywho, she comes in a box like that. Okay?
You can get the subscription every month. You can get the subscription every month, okay? That's what you can do. You can get this.
You know. But anywho, in my box,
I was expecting an eyeshadow palette, but they end up sending a sheet mask.
but they're cute though. The packaging is really, really cute. Okay, we got Iconic London. This is some liquid highlighter. See that? That's the liquid highlighter. And I got some Benefit Professional Primer. It's a pore primer. Got some brushes. And I also got this Elemis Superfood Cleansing Foam. I can honestly say I love Elemis. Like, I really do like Elemis. I love Elemis. I have one of their masks. It's a superfood face mask. It's not a peel. It's not a peel off face mask. It's more of a, you put it on, let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you get a warm washcloth and wipe it off. It makes my face feel amazing. So that's all I got in my Boxycharm this month. And what you guys think about Maxi? Do you like her? What do you think? You know what would have been nice with Maxi? A little color. You know, on the ends. Just a little color on the ends. When I purchased Maxi, they was out of the colors that I liked. So, and she comes in other colors. You guys can probably go and check her out. I want to thank each and every last one of you for coming to join me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I post a video. And once again, thank you for coming.
I was expecting an eyeshadow palette, but they end up sending sheet